how to connect to Wi-Fi on your Nintendo Switch 2. So setting up a Wi-Fi connection on your Switch is really important as it's going to allow you access to multiplayer features. So in order to go and set up your Wi-Fi, just click on the settings bar in the bottom navigation. From the left hand side, click on Internet settings, and then it's going to search your area for any local networks. Now, if your connection is wireless, which it's typically going to be, then you just need to go and locate your network from the list below. Now, if you have a wired connection like an Ethernet cable, you can click on wired connection. I'm just going to click on my network adapter, and then from here, you'll need to enter the Wi-Fi password for your router. Now, once you've connected to the internet, you can see it has a blue tick at the top of this window, and that just indicates our connection is actually working. You can also come back over to the previous window and you can click on test connection, and that's just going to ensure that everything is working as it should. So that's it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.